So this is the video number 2 of the NDA maths tips and tricks. This question is from second paper of NDA, which was NDA exam, which was conducted in 2015. This is also of the same kind of first one, where we'll be using the options to go back and get the answer for the question. So here is the question. ABC are three real numbers, then we have to find the values. If you have to do it directly, then we'll have to use the normal multiplication 1 minus a into, we'll have to multiply these and subtract it from multiplication of these. Then we have to take this one and do the multiplication of these and subtract. So this is a big task, okay? So if you are going to do by normal method, it's a big task. It will take almost 10 minutes for you to solve this question. So here I am going to tell you a simple trick to solve this question easy. Take some arbitrary values for a, b and c. I'll take the value for a is equal to 1, for b I'll take it as 2, and for c I'll take it as 3. So now replace these values in this matrix. So 1 minus a, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus b, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 1 minus c, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. A minus b minus c, 1 minus 2 minus 3, it's minus 4. B minus c minus a, 2 minus 3 minus 1, so it's minus 2. And c minus a minus b, c is 3, 3 minus 2 minus 1 is 0. And this side b plus c, b plus c is 2 plus 3, 5. C plus a is 3 plus 1, 4. And a plus b is 1 plus 2, 3. So now it will be very easy for us to solve this matrix, okay? If you want to get the determinant of this matrix, it's very simple. 0, nothing comes here. So we'll start with minus 4. Minus of minus, it becomes plus 4 into minus 1 into 3, minus 3, right? Minus 2 into 4, minus 8. So minus of minus 8 is plus 8. So this is like this. And then we'll have to, this final one, 5 into minus 1 into 0 is 0, minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. So 0 minus 4. So this is 4 into 8 minus 3 is 5. Again 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. So it's 20 minus 20 is 0. So check which option is 0 here. Only this is 0. So this is the answer. You see a minus b, 1 minus 2, this will not come 0. A plus b plus c, this is also not 0. So this is also not 0. So the answer is 0, option A. So check how much easily we are able to solve this. But if you want to do like the normal conventional method, then you have to multiply all this. It becomes a very hectic problem, very difficult problem to solve. So in less than 2 minutes, we have solved the problem by substituting the value 1, 2, 3 in this equation. Another thing I want to tell you is, if you substitute for a, b and c all together 1, 1, 1, then we'll be getting 0 here, and we might also possibly get this option. This option also can get. So the better suggestion is use 1, 2, 3 different values, so that sometimes you will not be stuck between two options. Sometimes if you substitute 1, 1, 1, you get two options as right. So to be on the safer side, use 1, 2, 3 different, so you'll be easily able to find the answer. So the answer is option A, 0. This was the second video. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to your guru for more such videos.